I have been in the medical field for many years. I was called home to take care of my mom for 4 years prior to her death. After that hard time, I sort of took a year and reevaluated and then decided that massage therapy was always something I wanted to do and decided that this would be a good program for me.
Want a career that's hands-on, flexible, and actually makes people feel better? At evit, our massage therapy program gives you the skills, certifications, and confidence to jumpstart your future without breaking the bank. You'll learn from licensed pros and practice real massage techniques in our on-site clinic.
I really like that the instructors have real-life experience that spoke to me because I didn't want a 4-hour program all in a classroom. I really like the hands-on portion of this program.
With affordable tuition and flexible scheduling, this program is built to fit your life. And when you're done, you'll be ready to apply for your Arizona massage therapy license and start your career doing what you love.
The evit massage therapy program has changed my life in that it's giving me a whole new opportunity to do something I've always wanted to do, and I'm sure it'll be a very rewarding career.
Your future, your way at evit. Enroll today at evit.edu.